and welcome students. I Kumar welcome you again to this amazing platform where we simplify your preparations. So we have been initiated a very beautiful program where we are taking important 50 questions, and the questions have been decided or taken in such a way that there is many likely it is likely to be there in your actual paper too. So we are on the 26th day of the series and with question number 26. So without taking much of your time, let's start with the question. So the question says that suppose for all integers x, there are two functions f and g such that f of x plus f of x minus 1 equals to 0 and g of x is equals to x square. So basically this is the question from a composite functions chapter. If f of x square minus x is 5, then the value of f of g of 5 plus g of f of 5 is. तो हमारे पास देखो क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है. पहले तो दो फंक्शंस हैं, वन इज फंक्शन f एंड अदर वन इज फंक्शन g. फॉर फंक्शन f वी हैव अ रिलेशन लाइक दिस, f of x प्लस f of x minus 1 इज बेसिकली 1. ठीक है, ये माइनस 1 को उधर शिफ्ट कर दो. सो f of x प्लस f of x minus 1 is basically 1. And we have another function g of x, and that is what? That is equals to x square. One more information we have is that if you'll be writing the value of f of x square minus x, it will be 5. Okay, f of x square minus x will be what? It will be 5. So then we have to get the value of f of g of 5 and g of f of 5. So first of all, we need the value of g of 5. Okay, what will be the value of g of 5? So g of 5 is very easy, right? G of 5 will be what? It will be, एक एक करके सारा निकालते हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ g of 5. So g of 5 is what? Simply replace your x by 5. So g of 5 will be what? G of x is x square, right? So g of 5 will be 5 ka whole square, that is 25. Alright, next we have to get the value of f of 5. So for f of 5, what we can do, let's do hit and trial here. So when I'll be saying, okay, if my value of x is 1, when your x is 1, so what will happen? It will be f of 1 square minus 1 will be 5. Or we can say that if x is 5, then f of 0 will be what? F of 0 is 5. Similarly, अगर मान लो मैंने x की value 2 रखी, so when x is 2, so what I'll have f of 2 square is 4. So 4 minus 2 is again 5. It means that f of 2 is 5. ठीक है, if suppose we are keeping the value of x as 3, so when x is 3, okay, it will be what? It will be f of 3 square is 9 minus 3, again it is 5. So f of 6 is what? F of 6 is 5. So clearly we can see that the value of f of 0 is 5, f of 2 is 5 and f of 6 is 5. Means for all even values, ठीक है, for all even values your function fx is what? It is 5. देखो f of 0 भी 5 है, f of 2 भी 5 है, f of 6 भी 5 है. तो जितने इवन नंबर्स हो रहे हैं ना, ठीक है, उस इवन नंबर्स के लिए अगर आप देखोगे यहां से ऑब्जर्व करके, सो यू कैन सी दैट द वैल्यू इज 5. नाउ इफ आई नो द वैल्यू ऑफ f of 0, कैन आई गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ f of 1? लेट्स प्लेस द वैल्यू ऑफ x एज 1 हियर. तो अगर आप f of x अगर 1 करोगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? f of 1 प्लस f of 0 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. f of 0 की वैल्यू तो हमें पता है, इट्स 5. ठीक है, so when you will be simplifying it, the value of f of 1 will be what? It will be 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. So the value of f of 1 is what? It is minus 4. ठीक है, I already have the value of f of 2. Let's get the value of f of 3. So for f of 3, ठीक है, I am using this place only. Suppose I am using this. So for f of 3, let's place the value of x as 3. So we will be having f of 3 plus f of 2 is equals to 1. Again the value of f of 2 was 5. So this will give me f of 3 as minus 4. So whatever we have solved so far, ठीक है, see the value of f of 3 is minus 4, the value of f of 1 is minus 4, the value of f of 0 is 5, f of 2 is 5 and f of 6 is 5. It means that if I am finding f of an odd number, so f of a odd number is minus 4 and f of an even number is 5. ठीक है, ये जो फंक्शन fx है ये ऐसा है कि अगर आप f ऑफ ऑड नंबर निकालोगे उसकी वैल्यू माइनस 4 आ रही है और f ऑफ अगर इवन नंबर निकालोगे इसकी वैल्यू 5 आ रही है. सो लेट्स यूज इट. नाउ So now we have to get the value of f of 5. So what is the value of f of 5? It is f of odd. So f of 5 will be what? F of odd is what? It is minus 4. So we have the value of g of 5, okay, and we have the value of a. Now if I want to get the value of f of g5, so g5 की value क्या है? G5 already I have got 25. So what will be the value of f of 25 now? Okay, I have to get the value of f of g of 5, right? But g of 5 is already I have calculated, it is 25. So f of odd number, f of odd will be what? F of odd is a minus 4. So f of 25 will be what? It will be minus 4. Similarly, then we have to get g of f of 5. So what is the value of f of 5? F of 5 is minus 4. So we have to get g of minus 4. So g of minus 4 will be what? It will be 16. और हमें कुछ नहीं करना, हमें इन दोनों को फंक्शंस को ऐड कर देना है. So when you'll be adding these two, the answer will be what? It will be 12. So for question number 26, what's the answer is? The answer is 12. It's a very easy basic question. ठीक है, simply put the values and you'll be getting the relation. Now once we have the relation, okay, put the values and get the answer. So that's all we have in today's session. Okay, I hope that you might have liked the video. Okay, but if you want to crack your CAT 2024 GD and PI, and if you want to get into your dream IMs, okay, in just one approach. So for the personalized approach, the link to join is there in the description. Also, if you have any suggestions, any recommendations, please write to us using the comment box. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप इसे लाइक कर रहे हो. Thank you and have a nice day ahead, everyone.